again, guys. This is Topper Chef. Today we are going to make Kadai Chicken. Now, Kadai Chicken is from a Kadai masala sauce, and anything which is cooked in a Kadai, it's like a small wok. Okay, so that's called a Kadai. So basically, when anything like you go to a Chinese restaurant and you have this stir fry sauce, now in Indian restaurant, that's Kadai sauce is a stir fry sauce with a lot of oil and a lot of spices, and it has to be really dry. It's not wet like a curry. And this is what we're gonna make today. Okay guys, so I've got some of my favorite friends here, my close friends, and they always wanted to eat Kadai chicken. So we're gonna make this Kadai chicken. I've used legs of chicken. You can use breast, but legs are a little firmer and they are more juicier. For this, so I'm gonna marinate with, this is a coriander, little cayenne pepper, little garam masala, which is half teaspoon, and salt. I'm gonna mix this together and let it marinate for some time. Then for making the sauce, of course, we need the Kadai masala sauce, little tomato sauce, and then we'll finish off with bell peppers and onions. Okay, so we mix this thing. Let this sit down for at least half an hour. You can see the coriander on that really sticks out on this, and it will give that nutty, good flavor. And it has to sit down on this because this, like I said, is a Kadai sauce and has to have the chicken flavor. Should be flavorful all the way inside. So this is what's gonna happen. Let it sit for half an hour at least. Okay, so we marinated the chicken for the chicken Kadai masala, and now we're gonna start the process of making it. Now the Kadai masala is basically a saute sauce, right? Stir fry sauce. So you gotta put a lot of oil in this and let that oil heat up, and I'm gonna saute my chicken in it first, take it out, and then I'll make the sauce and then put the chicken back again. So the chicken right here has been marinated, and I'm gonna put it, let this oil get heat up a little bit, and we're gonna put it in that. Now the thing is very hot, and we're gonna just brown this on high heat. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this real fast so it browns real fast. We want to just brown this a little bit so it cooks on both sides. Get that toasty cardamom-y flavor to it. This recipe is two of my favorite friends who've asked for it, and once they see this recipe they're gonna jump and say, oh my god, thank God for making this. So bring all your requests and we'll make those just like the restaurant makes it. Okay, so now we flip this, again cook it on both sides for maybe half a minute. Okay, I'm gonna turn it low and put this off. I'm going to take this off. This hasn't cooked as yet, but you know, we're going to cook it later in the sauce. So I'm going to take this off. Oh, it smells amazing. Okay, so now we are going to make this sauce and then going to put all this together. So we're going to add a little more oil. This is called kadai. Kadai means oily, I mean like a stir fry. So to this I'm going to add my kadai sauce. And the jalapeños to it, and the tomato paste. Okay, so we're gonna cook this. As you can see the oil? That's what we need for this. Okay, so now you can see the oil is coming out from the onion. I'm going to add my ginger paste, my garlic paste, and again stir it. Stir it with my spices, chili powder, turmeric powder, and my salt. Keep on cooking it. That's how dry it's supposed to be. And once we add the chicken in, we'll add the water and let it simmer for some time with it. So now this has been simmering for maybe 2 minutes or so. I've been constantly stirring it because it has to be dry. Now I'm going to add my chicken to it. And the chicken is going to leave water, so be very careful to see how much water you need. So let this simmer with little water, very little water, and cover up maybe for 2 minutes or so. There you are, on low heat. Been simmering now for about 3 minutes. Oh wow. Keep this low and splatter everywhere. Okay, so now I'm going to add my oregano powder and kasuri methi. Toasted kasuri methi goes very well in this. That gives that the flavoring, the Indianness to this. And I'm going to add my green peppers and onion to this. Just mix it about. There you go, voila. Oh man, yummy looking. This is how you make a kadai chicken. I'm going to shut this off and let those peppers soak in, and it's ready. Okay, so I always say there is always an even answer to my madness. Now people say, why didn't I cook the peppers enough? But this is what it is. It's just a pepper. Now they cooked up for 5 minutes. I'm going to add little cilantro and stir it. That's it. This dish is ready. If you like today's recipe, which was the chicken kadai masala, give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook. Join us on the Pinterest board. and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Topper Chef signing off. Happy cooking!